I hope my screen is visible for you. Mm, When I'm going to my phone, yes. See, we are in the auto scaling. Yesterday we had a problem that one I rectified. Maybe today we'll see that one. Click on auto scaling group. It's the very simple one. There just create auto scaling group. The name is ASG1, ASG1. You need to go for select a launch template. I think yesterday we created launch template. Everybody know, Hemant? I think yesterday you didn't attend, right?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. That all again I'll show you. Don't worry. Just this is just basic template because of which type of instance you want to work with, how much storage you want to work with, which VPC you are going to work with. Those things we are configuring here in launch template. That is the very simple thing. Four options we can set. Which security group we are going to use, which access key we are going to use. At the time of creating an EC2 instance, whatever the options you are able to select, those options we can apply in where launch template. The name itself launch template, just like a menu, just like a menu. Now someone is trying to join. Subbu, good morning. Now, thank you. Now see here, the version one I am taking. This is the launch template. Everybody observe. This is we are giving the naming convention. That is the version one. That is the key pair name. There, which type of security group we are going to use. There, which type of instance we are going to use. Those details were mentioned within the launch template. Click on next. There, which VPC you are going to use, where you want to create your, that means auto scaling group related instances into availability zones I want to create. There I got selected like this. Click on next. Now, till now, no load balancer. If you wanted, you already load balancer how to work with. I am not touching load balancer. Load balancer only purpose is whenever application incoming request comes, it is redirecting to specific target. That is the thing. Only for health checking purpose, we are going to use load balancer, and also zero downtime purpose, we are going to load balancer. That concept already we know. Now enable, click on next. There, see, I think I need to go for one step back, previous. Here it may take more time for moving for one instance to another instance. That's why I'm taking 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Default grace period is 5 minutes. Try to remember. This is the interview question. See, desired is one, minimum is one, and maximum I'm going to take five. Maximum I'm going to take five. Leave these options. See, don't enable this. This one, if you enable it, what happens? Scale in will not work well. Our intention is what? Scale up will work automatically. Scale in also will require. That's why I'm not touching this. Just click on next. Now, if you want to apply notification, if anything happen, you want to get email message, alert I'm taking their notification, their create topic, already set alert I may get for me only, for my email, or create topic, their topic is maybe get alert, get ALE or alert. Who will get alert? Say for my email. For my email. You need to configure email address also by using SNS. If you want to see, I can do that one also. Okay, good to go. Next. Now tags are leave it. Click on next. Click on next. Now just you go for create auto scaling group. See, once you create auto scaling, within a minute, you may get one desired capacity. You may get one instance. We may see that first. Desired capacity is one. That one you need to get. One will activate. Refresh it. There you may go to. There I'm taking one replication copy duplicate tab. There within the duplicate, I may show you EC2. their instances running. See, it is started or not yet. See, initializing means what does it mean? Just now only, whenever you created your auto scaling group, based on that one instance is creating. Everybody, are you agree with me? Now you may ask me, whenever load increases, based on the load, what will happen? If load, that means threshold limit more than 60% or threshold limit more than 80%, what will happen? Hey, you will create automatically one more instance. We will tell to that. We will tell to that. What shall we do? Again, go to auto scaling group. Go to auto scaling group, click on auto scaling group. There, there automatic scaling. One tab is there, right? Automatic scaling. There, we may go for dynamic scaling policies, dynamic predictive scaling policies, and also scheduled action. First, we go for the dynamic scaling policies. Create dynamic scaling policy. There, target tracking scaling is there. Target tracking scaling is there. What is your target? If my target CPU average CPU utilization is more than 70%, what is the industry standard? Interview question. The target value is 80. 80 is the greater than 80 is the industry standard. Even I can keep greater than 80. Greater than 80. Don't worry. Average CPU utilization. Here, instance warm up, I may give maybe 100 seconds. Instance warm up, I'm giving 100 seconds. Again, don't select. Decrease scale in to create only scale out policy. Disable scale. I'm not disabling that leave. I'm selecting this one. Shall I go with create? Yes, I am clicking on create. There, did I given name? Yes. From hereafter, it won't create one more instance. Why it won't create one more instance? The load is not greater than 80%. The load is not greater than 80%. How can you know the load is not greater than 80%? Going to EC2 instances, there click on EC2 instance. You need to see for their monitoring. Their monitoring. There we can see the CPU utilization. Here we can able to see the CPU utilization. See, you may able to see CPU utilization on every 5 minutes. On every 5 minutes, there we may get multiple points. Just now only created, right? See, you want to see for every minute. You want to see for every minute. At that time, what will you do? At that time, what will you do? You need to go for manage detailed monitoring. Manage detailed monitoring. Yes, see, detailed monitoring you need to enable. See, they will ask in interview how many types of monitorings are available. One is the basic monitoring. Second one is the detailed monitoring. You need to enable detailed monitoring. You need to enable detailed monitoring. See, for every minute, we may get data points. See, once you enable either detailed or basic, what are the points you may get in the sense? Data points you may get. See, till now there is no stress, till now there is no load. How to create, how to apply stress, how to give the load to our instance, just we are getting one script from maybe ChatGPT or through internet. Maybe before ChatGPT also, they are providing in Google also, there shell script for shell yes shell script for stress stress giving stress giving up to 100%, up to 100%. There I'm asking update update including stress comments. Stress comments. Oh, okay, good. Now I'm taking this one, copy it. Where should I move? Moving to our instance. Moving to our instance. Here is a click. Click on instance. First going to connect. How to connect? Click on here. There, click on connect. Click on connect. Just I am connecting. Once the connection is established, CAT greater than stress stress dot sh. There I am pasting. There I am pasting. There control D. Now up arrow. There bash bash dot slash stress dot sh. What happened? Unsupported OS. Okay, don't worry. It is giving that a message. There some commands again. You need to add two more commands, or else what I may do, manual I can add those two commands from ChatGPT already there. That may given or not at that didn't give stress commands. That didn't give stress commands, manual stress commands. Okay, no worries. There I copied and paste. This is not the right one where I am in. This one, right click, copy, going to now just there we need apt install, that means m install commands, two commands. Those two now it may added or not added. Okay, we may try there m install, these two command that is required, that is expecting. Or else I may directly add it, copy it, then I'll try. I'll go to here, right click, paste it. Now just up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. Again, it is not supporting. There, what happening? Stress ng not found. Stress ng. Here, stress ng I took, right? Only stress. Stress ng. Stress ng. Not found. I want stress ng. STRVS. Stress ng. Stress ng. Here's that stress ng. Select globally yet. Okay, modified script. I think here it was there, right? May try once again. Copy. Again, I may go there. C, Control C, VA, STRESS, stress dot sh, there DD, right click, paste over. Then escape, shift colon, X, bash, dispatching host to two CPUs, see, stress, starting stress, test at 100% load I am giving, 100% load I am. Now hereafter, what shall we do? Going to auto scaling. Going to auto scaling. Before auto scaling, you want to see the stress, right? You want to see the stress. How will we see? Going to instances. There, click on this one. Going to monitoring. There, you may maximize this. There, you may see on every 5 minutes. You want to see on every 1 minute. See? Now everybody observe, here observe the graph from 0 to where it is moving. Anyone respond? From 0 to 100% is moving or not? More than 100, it is more than 100. Okay. Now what happened? It may take minimum 1 or 2 minutes. You may get one more EC2. Why you may get one more EC2? If our threshold limit is greater than 70, I said, right? 70 or 80, I said. Based on that, automatically it creates one more EC2. You may see really it creating or not. Really it creates. Now go to refresh here. Refresh here. Just, just I'm waiting for some time. I'm waiting for some time. You need to wait. We need patience. Refresh. For warm up, I given 100 seconds. Are you observing? Another one is getting right. Please observe. What's the book? Are you able to see the latest one?
Yes, sir.
Whenever stress increases based on the stress, maybe by default it will take 5 minutes, even though I said maybe I set 100 seconds, right? Nearly 1.5 minute, or maybe near less than 2 minutes. Maybe it may take little time, and maybe you may quickly see again one more also. One more also. After getting three, at least we may decrease the stress. We may remove the stress. Once if you remove the stress, again slowly, automatically will terminate the instances. See here, the first one having up to 100%, even this one also having up to 100% here. It will also take the stress. Now these two having 100 plus 100, again by 100, more than 80% is there. Based on that, again after 2 minutes, you may get one more EC2. One more EC2. You may see that also. After seeing that one, we may try to reduce the stress. I think someone is trying to join. Yeah, good morning, Ganesh.
Morning, sir.
Now refresh. I think third one is started. Now you know it, right? I no need to go for up to fifth one. Everybody is clear for you. This is okay for you. If it is okay, I'll try to remove the stress. Our intention is what? This is scale out is okay. Scale in, you want to see. Scale in, you want to see. Shall I go for my Monica? Shall I move on to how to reduce the,
Yes, sir.
how to decrease the instances? Now refresh it. How to decrease the stress? First, which one is started? I hope this one, I think this is the right one. This is which one? Our original. See the IP address. Maybe here control C. Ma, stress is already there, ma. Stress is all, even though you may exit from here, stress will not remove. What will you do? You need to kill the process. You need to kill the process. How can you kill the process? Where I am going to take maybe, pkill command. Pkill command, that means process kill. Pkill means process kill. I want to pkill, pkill using stress. There sudo pkill, sudo pkill. One is the stress command, another one the stress engine. Now click on here. There apply the command, paste it over here. Another one is pkill stress engine. Now these two I am applied. I hope. Here is good. In the same way, we are going to EC2 instances. There's, I think I took which one? This one or not yet. This is 154. What about this? 154, right? Now what I need to touch? Second instance. This one I going to touch. I am going to touch. There also I can apply same procedure. I want to remove the stress from each and every instance. Yeah, right click, paste it. There in the same way, I want to remove the stress. Now one more EC2 already they're running, right? One more EC2 instances. This is this one. Here also I want to remove the stress. Click on connect. Now select it and paste it. There I want to remove the stress. Yes. Now good. Now good. We are waiting for some more minutes. There go to auto scaling. There you can refresh. Here also you can able to wait and see. This is the one way. This is the one way. Where is my original auto scaling? There, auto scaling group. There, Simon. Now desired capacity is 3. Maybe within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, it may reduce. One way here you can identify, or simply go to EC2 instances. There also we can see. We set at minimum 1, desired 1, and max 5, but desired will come up to 3. There now we are reducing. We reduce the load. Based on the load, automatically our instances will remove. That means terminate. Now even we can able to see the stress, how much is there, how much is there. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Here you may come to very first one, very first one. There, this one I am taking. You may able to see stress is rarely reducing or not. Otherwise, no use. See now observe their stress is going to reducing or not. We need to check for 1 minute. See, stress is moving to 0, right? Here also stress is moving to 0. In the same way, you need to check for, in the same way, you need to check for remaining 2 instances. How can I check for remaining 2 instances? Quickly move on to instances. Quickly move on to instances. There, select one more instance. There I'm selecting one more second instance. Second instance, click on monitoring, click on monitoring, there maximize, there you want to apply for 1 minute. Till now you can't able to see here, very latestly it is created. For first one only applied maybe detailed monitoring. These two may not have detailed monitoring. That's what you may see here. For every 5 minutes, 1 point. For every 5 minutes, 1 point. Before this one, they created one more EC2. I need to touch that EC2 instance. At least you may see that. You may see that one also. They're going to this one monitoring. Now at least you may see this, you may understand. Now still this is having up to 100. Now our intake is what? We want to see the reduction. That means next 5 minutes you may able to see next 5 minutes. Here and move on to local time. Till now you are not able to see really it is stressing, reducing or not. We need to see the graph changes, data points. Or at least I may modify for 1 minute. No, we'll wait for some more time. Anyway, we may wait for up to 5 minutes, then only we can identify what happening. Refresh. Refreshing. Yeah, now stress is reducing. It is also stress is reduced. Good. According to our concept is working, but we need to see the final output. One more copy and directly moving to EC to instances tab. We take the average. If average whenever less, then maybe there is specified 70 or 80. 70. You want to see that? You can able to see how much I specified. There for that I am going there. I am clicking here. Assume I forgot. I want to see that. I want to see that. Here you can able to see. Here you can able to see this auto scaling. There you can identify. See here how much is specified. The as required to maintain average CPU utilization at 80%. At 80%. See here, instance needed 100 seconds to warm up before including in metric. Before taking metric, it may take 100 seconds. That means it is taking minimum 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. We need such a patience. Click on instances, refresh. At least we need to see one terminating. Yesterday for me takes nearly less than 15 minutes for properly implementing, showing this concept. Now I'm able to see this one stress. How much is there? I think first one stress. First one stress, you need to see how much is there. There also you can recognize. Here also stress is downwards. Yeah, it is downward, maybe in between 20 and 40. Again, you may refresh. If the recipe is working properly only. Yes, coming to zero. That is also good. side. Now you want to see the instances. You want to see the instances. Instances. I'm going to check manually their hyphen PS hyphen EF, their grep hyphen ISTRESS stress. I think what's one more command is running stress related. Their root stress. Their peaking. There I go for stress. Vehicle stress. Again, I may check. Road, road, Colorado, STRESS. Anyway, it got reduced to zero. That is not a problem. Kill. Kill. 19, 19, 297, 297. No such process. Such process. The top go to 20, 20. Control C, just PS hyphen EF, PS hyphen EF, PS hyphen EF, is just okay, good. Stances, refresh. Still it is. Still it is. We got zero stress. What happened? What happened? Refresh. Okay, less than. This is there. Why it is not like finally I will go for another way. There I use from command right. There EF is hyphen EF. There the grep hyphen I STR is a stress. Okay. And look here. Then actually use that term. We have um, kill is taking time of 300 seconds. We kill hyphen F that means that check the setting. Sudo kill stress on that commands I applied. Refresh. Yeah, ma observe. Hello. How much
Yes, sir.
time it is taking?
Yes,
That's what I said. We need patience. For me also, yeah, yesterday evening, taking more time. Ah, okay, good. Now, what is our intention? We may go for next one within the auto scaling. Within the auto scaling, there click on auto scaling, select here, their automatic scale. Now we may go for the second one. The dynamic scaling policies is there. If it is there, again it will work, right? Again it will work. If I give the stress, it will also work. What I may do? First, I need to remove this. How can I remove this? Select here, going to actions, delete, delete. See, am I deleted or not? Yes. Now we go for predictive scaling policies. Predictive scaling. How it will apply? See, last week maybe based on the that means fast based on the past it will work for us. Create predictive scaling policy. Their scaling policy name predictive. 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 Say turn on scale based on forecast. Yes, scale based on forecast. CPU utilization. Maybe here, maybe I'm giving more than greater than 50%. Greater than 50%. We may take their buffer maximum capacity above the forecasted capacity. Okay, there are 5 minutes. I am not giving 5 minutes. I am taking 1 minute only time. 1 minute. Here we need to see their max capacity behavior. Choose whenever to overcome maximum capacity when the forecasted capacity is greater than the maximum capacity. Okay, don't go for that. Click on create. Click on additional scaling settings. Okay, create. Here also it may take little time. There I set it last week's. I think did I set or they're not yet right? I need to set that one. One more option is there. One more option, predictive. Okay, need more data. It is taking. Is there any edit option here? Yes, it may be there, right? Actions, switch off, forecast to scale. Okay, edit. There last week, where is the word last week? Such mechanism is there, not here. I may select this one. What it may happen? Yeah, it may give minimum 0, maximum 100%. Based on here percent buffer maximum capacity based on that it will 10% means maybe 111 like that. You may try to increase this. Okay, we may wait for some time. What happening is now good to go there. Refresh. And now till now I didn't apply. Okay, predictive, right? Predictive. I need to apply the stress. Otherwise, how can it will work? Now click on here. There connect. Connect. Again, stress command I need to apply. I think here is not there or not. ls-ltr. Here there is no stress. Go to there is the stress related code. I think it may work. You will check. Copy there vi s.sh. Right click. Paste it. Escape shift colon x. Now dash dot slash dot s.sh. Now we need to apply the command m install stress icon y there m install stress hyphen ng. Now I may apply once again. 1200 seconds. Dispatching host to 2 CPUs. Are able to see the word 100% here? I hope no, right? Are able to see the word 100% anyone? Run for stress only. Okay. Did I mention here 100%? See, ma, there I didn't able to see the word 100%. 100%. Stress not installed. Okay, please, that is okay. I think I'm not able to see the word 100%, but it is started good. Started good. Control C. There I may move on here. Increase the stress up to 100%. Give me shell script. Copy it. There PA s.sh dd insert paste escape shift colon x. Now bash. Okay, the message is not getting. Okay, no problem. Now we may go there. Where should I go? There auto scaling or maybe instances. There we may wait for some time. Here for it will take 5 minutes for activation. Just now only applied. Even for your side also, we need patience. We may leave at least minimum 15 minutes. First I may check there. One ECT instance is there. I'm going to check how much load is happening. How much load is happening. Here also, I didn't apply detailed monitoring. You may check. You may check here. Yes, now it is moving. Yes, it is 100%. Okay. There you may able to see for 5 minutes only. Yes, for 5 minutes only you can see. I didn't apply detailed monitoring. Anyway, it moves to 100%. That is good sign. Now you can able to wait. Their instances. Fresh. If I set more than 20%, assume it may take quickly 3 to 4 instances. That I set it more than 80, only difference 20 is there. It will calculate based on that, it will apply. Okay, your side you may try once again. I'm going to the third one. 100% it will work. It may take time because of prediction means we never tell when will happen, but it will work. I go for the last one. See, no more data. It is waiting for, see, need more data. It is checking for more data. See, it is keep on checking. It is keep on checking. It is awaiting for data. Based on the data only, it will work. It will stop my first. Even your side also you need to check. Yesterday also I observed. For me, when it will work, maybe previous one I deleted, right? If previous one is also working, based on that, it will do it. Previous one is also working. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. I may go for the last one. Then create scheduled action. Create schedule. First, I need to remove this. I need to remove this. You may try your side. If not working, again share your screen. I will wait for sometimes there automatically that will work based on my instructions. Now we may go for the scheduled actions. Scheduled actions in the sense cron jobs. In Jenkins also have you applied cron job, right? Their name is I'm taking scheduled or CRON cron. Desired capacity, one I am taking. Their minimum one I am taking. Max I am taking again 5. Okay. their recurrence only one time, or you want to go for cron for your easy understand cron. See, I want to set for, I want to set for every minute I want to get one instance. You know, every minute means the star, you know, star. Is it okay for you? And every minute I want to get one new instance, one new instance. See the specific start time. Now, according to this, what is the time now here? UTC 420. UTC 420. Here you need to take greater than 420. Say 4 colon maybe 25. 25. This is good. When it will start? It will start from 420. Now set end time. Set end time. If I am going to give 430. 4 colon 30. Why? And every 5 minutes it will take according to in our scenario basic monitoring, right? Basic monitoring. Even though I set it for every minute, but it will take internally. Their date I am taking for today only. I want to get all the instances. Today only. Here also today only. Okay. Is it okay for us? Now I am trying to create. I am trying. Or in our scenario, for every 5 minutes, right? You need to go like this. For every 5 minutes. For every 5 minutes. This is star by 5 also represent and every 5 minutes. Star by 5. Now click on create. We will wait for some time. What happening? You may see. Going to instance. The refresh. Where it will start? It will start from 425. There 420. We need to wait for again 5 more minutes. Today evening, I want to start with the lambda functions because of EC2 lambda, they're interrelated. Even in interviews also, they're very asking very simple questions. How to start EC2 instance, how to stop EC2 instance, how to restart EC2 instance, how to create a file and storing into S3 bucket by using lambda functions. Those are all well-known examples. Maybe people are asking same questions only. Maybe after joining in the company, you may enhance your knowledge, but you need little bit programming knowledge. Which knowledge? Python knowledge. In Python, what is a variable? At least how to create variable. What is if condition? At least you know. What is for loop? At least you know. How to create a function. Technical word is how to define a function. You should know. That is the Python knowledge is mandate. Even though without Python knowledge, I'll explain, but you can able to understand. But if you know little bit, that is good for us. Today I'll take nearly 5 to 7 scenarios related to Lambda, at least maybe one service we may finish quickly. For activation, it is taking time. Once it is started, maybe you may see maybe more instances at a time. Because of that, I set it 1 minute, but internally it is taking for 5 minutes for doing that activity, for warm up activity, for starting activity. That was the problem. So that area, we will check it. There, refresh, minimum at desired one only is there. Is it right one? Control C. And go to, that is our chat GPT. Is it correct? Yes. What is it? I added star by 5 or I added star by 5 only, right? Yes, for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. Every fifth minute. That is good only. Every fifth minute. There, refresh. Till now only one is there. Only one is there. Now that slipping to wait a minute. I'm asking to, is there any problem in this? Will be scaling policy is mentioned here. That means you only maintains a static number of increases. The desired is equal to 1. Think it will not scale out. Okay, based on CPU or low. Max is equal to 5, min is equal to 1. Not useful unless dynamic scaling policies are also configured. Okay, recommended if you go your goals to automatically increase desired EC2 instances based on CPU user or load. What shall I do? Keep this scheduled action only if you need to ensure minimum one and desired one and 5 minutes. Okay. I think that didn't ask, right? How much I need to increase. Is it asked or not yet? That's what it is not increasing. Okay, I'll try for once again. Once again. Target tracking or step scaling policy. The goal is automatically increase, decrease. Okay. If I set a target tracking, what happens? Automatically it will take care, right? See what they are telling. Without setting those things, it will not work. It will not work. But there, automatically that will increase. Here we are telling maybe for every 5 minutes, you need to provide for every 5 minutes. What does it mean? You need to set target tracking also. Okay, if you set target tracking, that will automatically increase. Okay, you may try this one also. Once you do this one, then only what they are telling. Even yesterday in my case, this already running internally. Then I set it automatically. I'm getting multiple instances. Anyway, you try it once, it will work for you. If not working, again I'm telling you may do it and try to interact with me. Maybe share me. I'll guide you. Okay, or else evening I'll show you once again. Then only I can move to Lambda functions. Okay, thank you. You may try your side. Here we know how to apply the policy, but we need to see the output also. That is also important for us. Thank you. We'll meet today evening with a new concept, that is lambda functions. My everybody try to gather little bit lambda functions because of that is on every interviews they are asking at least do you know lambda functions? What is the difference between EC2 and lambda? How to work with? Okay, they are expecting, but Python knowledge is mandate. Python knowledge is mandate. Okay, thank you. I'll meet it today evening.